160 meters. Good eating size. Hey guys, how we doing? I'm Daiki. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So today I'm going after Kuroguchi, the black-mouthed croaker. We are very deep here in Osaka Bay. The water depth we are fishing today is around 120 meters to 160 meters. Now we are exactly at the middle of the channel of Osaka Bay, and there's usually a super fast current going through, so we are fishing at slack tide. Alright, let's get started. It takes much time to reach the bottom. It takes about a minute with 400-gram weight. We are starting from 160 meters, then gradually going up to probably around 120 meters. Still going on. Still going on. 130. Okay. Now at the bottom. So mainly we're fishing bottom. Lift it up. Alright, it's not very big, but good eating size. See it inside of mouth? It's all black, so that's why they're called Kuroguchi, the black-mouthed croaker. Brain it and bleed it. Even smaller. Another one.
If you were traveling in Japan, why don't you join us for fishing chowder and sushi? I'll take you out fishing in Osaka Bay and make sushi from our catch. So what I'm gonna make from our catch today is sugata zukuri. It's just fancy presentation of sashimi.